So, what's the big investment play for India looking towards 2026? Let's break it down.
We're going beyond just simple stock picks to get at the real stories driving India's economy. Our whole thesis is built on three core pillars. It's a really straightforward way to see things.
We'll hit diversified power, then the digital titans, and wrap up with the domestic drivers.
Okay, first up, Pillar 1. And you can't talk about diversified power without talking about Reliance.
Reliance is a true powerhouse. They're in energy, their massive geo-telecom network, and even retail.
So diversification is its biggest strength, but it's also exposed to oil prices and huge spending.
All right, Pillar 2, the digital titans. These are the engines behind India's massive digital boom.
First, you've got TCS, a global IT leader with super stable income from big, long-term deals.
What's really exciting here is their big play in AI. The risk? A potential global slowdown.
Then there's Bharti Airtel, perfectly positioned to ride India's huge 5G wave.
Now, 5G is a huge opportunity, but expanding that network costs a ton of money.
And Pillar 3 is all about what's happening inside India, consumption and booming cities.
HDFC Bank is leading the pack in retail banking thanks to its awesome digital reach.
Its growth really depends on people borrowing more, but bad loans are always a potential risk.
And for real estate, you've got DLF. They're basically set to cash in on urbanization.
Long-term demand looks solid, for sure. But remember, real estate is a cyclical business.
Okay, so let's pull all these pieces together and look at the big picture strategy here.
So here it is, a snapshot of what a balanced portfolio could look like across India's key sectors.
The key thing to remember is this is a long-term game. Think years, not months.
So how do you manage the risk? Simple. Have a long time horizon and don't invest all at once. And of course, just a reminder, these are ideas, not financial advice, so please do your homework.
So I'll leave you with this. Which of these pillars do you think will define India's next decade?